It's almost Christmas, and I can't wait to show you how we did it when we were growing up. Okay, these are the snacks that we definitely ate. One of the snacks that we definitely ate. You must have tried it out. Okay, so it's almost Christmas. It's a merrymaking season, and I felt like, okay, let me show you guys how to come up with this beautiful snacks using peanut. You don't want to miss it out. Follow all the stages, and trust me, your peanut will turn out to be super amazing. Please don't lose guard, don't miss out anything. Just watch the steps. Watch the steps, keep following, and trust me, you're gonna thank me a million times that you definitely watched this video today. Watch this video today, alright? This ain't Texas. Ain't no hope. I love being your love. Hey fam, my name is Carrie, and here is Zuckerberg Skincare Lifestyle. We do cooking sometimes, and also because it's the Christmas season and it's the festive season, I couldn't leave this out for you. Alright, so let's go ahead, try this snacks, and let's move on. One more thing, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Go ahead, hop in, subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. Try it. Tell me if you tried, okay? Tell me if you tried this recipe. Welcome back, guys. So I'll go ahead to put in my peanuts or groundnuts, the way we called it back then. So I want to air fry it. Okay, if you do not have an air fryer, you can as well fry them first. Yeah, some people normally don't fry theirs, they just start with the raw peanuts like this. But then if you want to save some time and you want it to be really tasty and also crunchy, then just follow the steps. So I had to microwave it. Go ahead, microwave it for about 15 minutes, and after that I had to pull it out, and you can see that it's already well crunchy already. Just like this, you can actually enjoy it. You can see that one bowl was almost done because they had picked it up at home, and that's sugar, a cup of sugar, guys. So I later on ended using a cup because I didn't want so much sugar, but it all depends on you. And that's water. I ended up using just half cup of water. You don't want to add so much water and it turns out to be like a soup. So I already grilled the peanuts. They're already ready. Okay, they taste good already, but because I want to toast it, then definitely I don't need so much water. So that's me. Just put it in there, keep stirring, put my peanuts and together with the sugar and the water, just keep stirring, and make sure you don't stop stirring. Please don't just put it there and go away. Stir it until it's okay. All right, because the more you keep stirring, the more the sugar keeps getting solid. Okay, so you need to be there, if not it's gonna burn off. So you can see what I'm doing. Just keep following the process. Follow the process. And there you can see, guys, as you keep stirring, it's gonna really be getting solid, and you're gonna see the magic that's happening. Back home we used to call it caramel, and yes, in French it's called caramel, or better still in English. Okay, when you hear caramel skin tone, then they're talking about this skin tone. Okay, so that's it. You can see that it's almost done, right? And you need to reduce the flame. You need to reduce your flame, not so much fire. Okay, just lower your stove, okay, or whatever you're using, because if the fire is so high, then it's gonna burn your peanuts. So you have to be extra careful when handling this. You can see the difference. You can see that the sugar is already coated to the peanuts, and this is what we're talking about. Wow, you can't imagine how tasty this was. At this point you can eat it already. Okay, when we were
back going to school back then, when we used to buy it to this woman on the street. This was kind of like a street food to us. At this point, they used to sell it just like this, okay? But then I wanted mine to be really different, and I wanted to go extra mile. So at this point, for me, it wasn't okay. You could keep frying, but if you continue frying or stirring, it's gonna darken up. That's what you don't want, right? So you can see, as long as you keep stirring, the sugar is gonna melt, and it's gonna be something different. It's gonna darken up. But then we want our peanuts shiny and looking really, really delicious and attractive for each and every one to eat it. So you don't want to keep stirring, and you don't want it to be really dark, right? So at this point, I think it's enough. So at this point, it was okay for me, and you can see that everything has been toasted already and really, really looking yummy. All right, so you should do same. At this point, you have to stop. All right, if you don't stop, then you're gonna darken up everything. So that's it. This is my peanuts. These are my peanuts. Just take a look.
So at this point, I'm going to take it out and put it here because I don't want it to keep melting. So I just took this out. Sorry, air fryer. This is how it looks like. So if you want to get I'm so crunchy, yummy, and just everything. If you want yours to come out exactly like this, just follow the procedures. You'll be surprised. Alright family, thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can try this during this Christmas period. And also tell me what you think.